Thick clouds, steam rising, hissing stone on sweat lodge fire. Around me, buffalo robe, sage and bundle, rub on skin. Outside, cold air stand, wait for rising sun. Red paint, eagle feathers, coyote calling, late has begun. Something moving in, I taste it in my mouth and in my heart. It feels like dying slow, letting go of life. Now if anybody knows this part, they can sing along. Hey now, Bonnie Tucker. Hey now, Bonnie Tucker. Hey now, Bonnie Tucker. Hey now, Bonnie Tucker. Medicine man lead me up through town. Indian ground, so far down. Yeah. Cut up land, each house a pool. Kids in water wings, drinking cool. Yeah, follow dry riverbed. Watch Scott and guides make powwow signs. Yeah. Pasture on Emo's disco, Sitting Bull Steakhouse, white man dream. Rattling the old man's sexy, looking mountaintop, keep climbing up. Yeah. Way above us, the desert snow, white wind blows. Yeah. I hold the line, the line of strength that pulls me through the fear. San Jacinto, I hold the line. San Jacinto, the poison biting darkness, take my side. I hold the line, and the tears roll down my swollen cheek. I think I'm losing it, getting weaker. I hold the line, I hold the line. San Jacinto, yellow eagle flies down from the sun, from the sun. Thank you.